Have you ever asked if you could weld faster in your nuclear plants? Most welding processes used for fabrication and repair of nuclear components are very slow compared to newer technologies available today. But the reason they are used as high quality is of utmost importance, and site welding engineers understandably opt to play it safe by sticking to the tried and true processes they know will work. However, the EPRI WRTC team is evaluating newer high deposition welding technologies that could potentially be used in place of these conventional methods. Processes such as reciprocating wire gas tungsten or advanced waveform gas metal arc welding could have the potential to be game changers. How much so? Ask Senior Technical Executive Darren Barborak.
Conventional welding processes typically used in nuclear power plants will net you about 1 to 2 pounds an hour. With these newer technologies, I have seen deposition rates up to 8 to 10 pounds an hour successfully achieved with comparable quality. And when you run the numbers, that's a substantial time and dose savings.